I've been doing a lot of work on the road lately, and I've recently had the opportunity to test out two of these new earbuds by Soundcore. This is the Liberty 5 Pro and the Liberty 5 Pro Max. There are a ton of really cool features to show you with these earbuds, but I want to jump right in by showing you a few of my favorites, like the very high sound quality, noise canceling. They have a note-taking feature on the Max, and one I'm very excited about for traveling is a real-time language translator. For creators like me who spend a lot of time on the road, I think it's very important to have a high quality set of noise canceling earbuds. I use these for taking calls, watching and editing my YouTube videos. I've tested them out in noisy environments like coffee shops, and the noise canceling and sound quality is extremely good. As far as the technology that goes into these earbuds, I've seen quite a few ads, especially the ones that advertise their new chip being 150 times faster than their older model. I'm definitely no expert here, but this is actually interesting in itself because this chip signals that Anker, the parent company of Soundcore, has transitioned from a cable manufacturer to an AI chip manufacturer. I've been following Anker, I've been using their gear for years. They have a lot of really great stuff, but I'm also glad to see that they've made this move into more high-tech manufacturing. As far as I can tell, both of these models, the Liberty 5 Pro, which is the blue one, and the Pro Max, have the same ANC capabilities. They're the same size, they fit the same call quality and ability to block background noise. One of the biggest differences between these two models is the touchscreen, with the Liberty 5 Pro Max giving you a much larger screen, very similar to how a smartwatch works. This gives you the ability to cycle through all the options, changing the sound, brightness, turn on the AI note taker, change the wallpaper, the translator. Well, the 5 Pro has a much smaller touchscreen on the front without quite as many options. The next cool upgrade that I want to show you that only comes on the 5 Pro Max is the note-taking ability. I tested it out with a few calls. It works great. Just double tap the back button to start the recording, and when you're done, it'll just send the transcript to your phone, where you have even more options to differentiate speakers or provide an AI summary of the call. You can also just use this feature as a note transcriber for yourself, take a quick note when you're out, and you just want to remember something for later. The only tricky thing to remember when using some of these features is the box is actually a separate device that you have to connect Bluetooth to your phone to connect to the app. So when you're connecting these things, if you want to use the translator or the voice recorder, you have to connect the earbuds and the box as two separate devices. The next feature that I want to show you, which I think has a lot of potential for international travelers, is the real-time AI translator. This is only available in the 5 Pro Max version because this case has the built-in microphone, which acts as the microphone that the speaker is going to talk into. It's pretty easy to set up. You just choose the language of the speaker and the language that you want it translated into. The speaker holds the button down while they're talking. When they release, the translation is going to speak directly into your earbuds. I haven't had a chance to use these in a foreign country yet, but I tried them out on some YouTube videos in Spanish, and it's actually quite impressive. It has a hard time with very fast talking or when there's more than one person talking at the same time. However, with slow, clear speech, it works perfectly. I tried it out, and its translator from this slow Spanish video translates word for word and speaks the English translation directly into my earbuds almost in real time. Now, a few features that I haven't covered yet, like comfort and fit on the Liberty 5 Pro series earbuds. If you remember that Soundcore Sleep Bud video that I covered a few months ago, they used a silicone wing to help hold them in place. I really like this feature, and both of these models on the Liberty 5 Pros use a similar system. On one end of the earbud, there's a small silicone wing attachment. It comes installed with the medium wing, which ends up working fine for me, but they also come with a series of other wings, larger ones, and no wing if you don't need it. They're easy to switch out. There's a hard plastic piece that connects to the earbud. You just pop it out, pop in the new one, and of course, like most earbuds, they're going to come with this a whole set of several different sizes, also with the ear tip attachments if you want to get a better fit. And to show you what it looks like putting these in with the wing tips, just make sure you have the right side. It says left or right here on the bottom. Hold them with the wing tip facing up. Then you just place the ear tip on the edge of your ear, turn the top slightly back towards the back of your head, and the wingtip is going to tuck into the fold in your ear, helping to keep it in place. That's all I have for this overview on the Liberty 5 Pro, this front touchscreen, and the Liberty 5 Pro Max. This is the one with the AI note taker and translator app. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And again, thanks for watching.